Well, welcome back, YouTubers and fellow toy train buffs. Oh, not today. Today, this is all about a vintage toy from Marx. It is the Marx Moon Scout helicopter. I don't know exactly when they came out with this, but I'm guessing about the late 60s, maybe early 70s, based on its basic design. And it's nothing more than a tin litho helicopter with NASA markings. And uh, back in the day when I was growing up, when you wanted a remote controlled toy, you really couldn't expect much from it. Cars went forward, back, left, and right, and everything was on a tether. Wireless stuff, remote control, that didn't happen for me until like the 70s. But, whatever. It is what it is. Now, I've run this before, I've operated this before, and I know that it works. But again, let me show you some of the details. There's really not much here. Tin litho fuselage, yellow plastic skids and rotor, blue and red, no, I'm sorry, tin tail boom with a plastic fake tail rotor. Okay. Yeah, Moon Scout helicopter. Now, we all know that NASA has had good success with operating a helicopter on Mars, but trying to do the same thing on the moon, well, I'm afraid that's pure fantasy, at least unless they come up with a way to do it. And this is, again, just pure fantasy. It is Moon Scout. Alright, I know it works. The only thing this does is the rotors go in a clockwise direction with the pressing of one button, or a counterclockwise direction in the other button, pressing the other button. The gearing for the rotors is hooked up to the wheels, so it will move forward. But this particular toy has a fatal flaw. The rotors, there's a split right here in the plastic, and they don't stay on, they fly off. Well, I'm so glad they proved me a liar that they're staying on. Sorry. Well, that's pretty cool. Sorry for bumping the camera. It proved me a liar. In my previous test, the rotors kept flying off because they were going so fast. And I like that though. I like that. So there you have it. Forward, reverse, and a little bit of turn there to the left. And rotors go. And that's it. That was a remote control toy. The type of remote control toys that we grew up with when us old farts were kids. I'm going to give it a little more running room. It's a little bit out of sight here. Let's see here. I'm going to adjust this and see what we can do here. Well, overall, that was pretty good. I'm guessing the gears are beginning to wear out inside because they don't appear to be connecting as well as they should. But it is old and probably seen a lot of use. And well, there you have it. The Marx Moon Scout helicopter. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Oh, hey, by the way, thank you for all the new subscribers. And I'm sorry I haven't done any train videos, but it's uncomfortable out here in the cave. Okay? Sorry. And this morning, I'm doing this in the morning now. This morning is okay. It's tolerable. And I've been photographing things to sell and put on Fleabay or the Facebook groups and just doing kind of other things. I haven't messed with the trains at all. So, you know, there are other facets to life than playing with trains, and that's what I've been involved with. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and until next time, tschüss, adieu, auf Wiedersehen, bye y'all.